Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, the situation here is still basically in line with what I said yesterday, that we are still waiting basically here for another dip as long as we stay below 47.8 cents. You can see it there highlighted in red. This is the resistance area. I'm currently counting the move down as a 5-wave move in a C wave. Now at present, this move down may not make a new low below the June lows, but it may obviously still make a low below the third wave low here at 41 cents. But at the moment, we're just purely running into resistance. Yeah, we are running into resistance, and obviously the market needs to tell us what's going to go next, but we need to identify this pivot point, which we did. 47.8 cents has been on the chart for a while, and you can see how the market listens to it. It's a bit like, you start to rally and the market is slowing you down here in this resistance area. The problem I have with this chart and this rally, it's a 3-wave move. If you remember, this rally was sparked by some positive news from the Ripple SEC case. Oftentimes when you get those news catalysts, at least in recent months, they've always been fake outs. Also, this one at the moment is only a 3-wave rally. And I cannot really, even if I, see, as you can see, I count it as an ABC. And the C wave I have to count as an ending diagonal. So there's actually no way for me to count here a proper, there's no way for me to count a proper impulse. Okay, so if this is going to be something more bullish, what do I need to see? I need to see a sustained break above 47.8 cents, because above that level I would not count it as a wave 4 anymore. It would be too strong for a wave 4. And I would have to count the whole thing again as a leading diagonal. And we see diagonals everywhere. I feel like in every video I'm talking about diagonals. Now, that's just because it's like, that's what it is at the moment, The market is extremely difficult. That it's extremely boring. That typically happens when you have a lot of ABC structures. It's going to be interesting when we have nice impulses, tradable setups, at least highly reliable setups. But this at the moment is just a difficult market. And yeah, this could become something more bullish, but there's no evidence at this stage. If it does something like that, then we have 5 waves up. But I would have to count the whole thing as a diagonal. It could be a wave 1 then, but I need 5 waves up above resistance. And then we can get a 3-wave move down. That would be a wave 2. And if we get that, okay, then we can say we have probably bottomed. However, at the moment, as long as we stay below resistance, below 47.8 cents in a messy and corrective structure, I have to assume we are going to make a new low. Yeah, it's going to be interesting, certainly. But what you can see is that this formed something like, well, what you could call maybe an ascending wedge. These would typically break to the downside, and maybe we are already here on the move down, because it tries to break it. Yeah, it's retesting it from below. And if we now see a break below the last swing low around 46 cents, then this could be a catalyst for that 5th wave to start. Yeah, again, I won't rule out that it will break to the upside, but I would need to see 5 waves up and 3 waves down to believe that we have bottomed here. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.